Okay guys, this is part 2, 7-5. Kind of what we just did, where you got to find how long and how wide. So go ahead and work it on your own. Set up your scale. So let's do long first. Okay, let's move on. Okay, given that triangle LMN, and this right here should be your similarity symbol, is similar to QR, and I don't know what's going on here, that should be an S. Find the perimeter P and area A of QRS. Okay, so we need to start with the similarity ratio. Okay, we've got two side measurements there, so let's set that up and put LM, which is 13, over QR, which is 9.1. Okay, so if you look at your teaching transparency, the similarity ratio is the same as the perimeter ratio. So the ratio of the perimeter equals 13 over 9.1. Now notice how when I write the ratio, I look at my similarity statement. It's this triangle to this triangle. Okay? All right, so let's find the perimeter. Okay, so I use my perimeter ratio, 13 over 9.1. So 13 represents the first triangle, and the perimeter is 36. 9.1 represents the second triangle, and we don't know what that perimeter is. So here's how you set it up then. Do your cross product. Divide by 13. And your perimeter is 25.2 centimeters. And this represents the perimeter of triangle QRS. Okay, now we got to find the area. For the area, you got to take your similarity ratio, which we already said is 13 over 9.1, and square it. Okay? So the ratio for the area is 13 over 9.1 squared. So to find the area of that second triangle, we can take 13 squared over 9.1 squared and set it equal. Area of the first triangle is 60x. 13 represents the first one. Area represents the first one on top. Okay, do your cross product. So I have 13 squared times x equals 9.1 squared times 60. Divide by that 13 squared, and you should get 29.4. We are talking about area here, so it's centimeters squared. So area of triangle QRS is 29.4 centimeters squared. got one more like this. Okay, no drawing this time. We've got triangle ABC, similar to triangle DEF. BC is 4 millimeters. EF is 12 millimeters. BC and EF correspond, so we can use that as our ratio. So we can put 4 over 12. Let's go ahead and simplify that and get 1/3. So this is our similarity ratio. So our perimeter ratio equals 1/3, and our area ratio equals our similarity ratio squared. Okay? So to find the perimeter, a little tricky here. Okay, so 4 represents the first triangle. This represents triangle ABC. This represents triangle DEF. Okay, so to find the perimeter, let's do that first. Set up your perimeter ratio, 1/3. Okay, do we have the perimeter of triangle ABC? No, that's what we're trying to solve for, so that's where X goes. Do we have the perimeter of triangle DEF? We do. It's right here, 42. So do your cross product. Divide by 3, and you get 14. So the perimeter of triangle ABC equals 14, and we're talking about millimeters. All right, now we got to find the area. So our ratio for area is 1 squared over 3 squared equal, 1 represents ABC, triangle ABC, that's what we're solving for. So there's where your X goes. And the area of triangle DEF is 96. So do your cross product. 1 squared times 96 is 96. 3 squared times X is 9X. Divide by 9. And you're going to get, 10 2/3. Got the wrong units there. It should be millimeters. All right, so this is representing area of triangle ABC. So it's 10 2/3 millimeters squared because we're talking about area. That's it, guys. Have a good one.